We've got the. Let's have a listen to the old version of the Van Persie song.
Okay.
Well, right now we are going to give tons of praises to Sean Van Persie High.
Lord of mercy, this one goes out to the man Van Persie.
Robin is the best, yes, the man's so quick. He's the one in this slick.
Super. Brilliant. So the new version of the Van Persie song from the Away Boys. Take it away.
Here we go.
Well, right now you're listening to the Away Boys, transmitting live from Talksport Towers alongside Dreaded Andre, Durham and Jack Coffee.
Easy. Here we go then. Robin, you were good when you played for us. Now we hope that you rust. Cause we got a new man, Giroux.
Tell him, Bob, tell him.
He'll be better than you. Easy now. One time, if there is a true case of Judacy, there's a man by the name of Van Persie. You ready? Ready?
I'm ready.
Van Persie told my grand to give him a gypsy curse. Rob Van Persie, maybe she can make his appendix burst.
Lord of mercy, this one goes out to the man Van Persie.
He was always getting cropped.
Cropped.
He needed attention around the clock. For one season he was strong.
Then walk him to him, Bob, walk him to him.
Then him turn like Frank Stapleton. One time,
Come in.
Van Persie told my grand to give him a gypsy curse.
Ahoy!
One time, Freddie, Rob Van Persie, maybe she can make his appendix burst.
Mercy. This one goes out to the man Van
One
Persie.
time.
You best beware of the man Van Persie, cause him very rarely miss. I wouldn't leave him in a room alone with my...
He was always getting cropped,
Always getting crock.
and he needed attention around the clock. For one season he was strong. Then him turn like Frank Stapleton. Remember Frank? Here we go. Van Persie told my grand to give him a gypsy curse. Easy, Freddie boy. Rob Van Persie,
Grand, listen.
maybe she can make his appendix burst.
Lord of mercy.
Here we go. Van Persie, when he left we had to change the verse. Rob Van Persie,
Here's the truth, Robin.
hope his injuries get worse. One time, Freddie Star, here we go.
Yes, you're listening to the Away Boys, transmitting live and
And that's
direct.
our new one for Van Persie, or Van Stapleton as we call him.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Boys. Superb.
Thank you.
Boys,
Have me in stitches, that.
unbelievable. You've even got Jamie Redknapp.
Optimistic. We're gonna let you go out with a mega mix
Oh,
of
that's
some of
what we
your
like to
best
hear.
stuff. Here we go.
Thank you.
Van Persie, only him alone can quench my thirst. He's the star that lights the sky. Hope he's Arsenal till he dies. He's our shade. He's Arsenal's greatest. Ooh, Chesney. Ooh, Chesney. Ooh, Chesney. Ooh, Chesney. Ooh, Chesney. Ooh, Chesney. Ooh, Chesney.
Arsenal.